What if I told you that you could be earning $500 every single day? Not with complex investments or showing your face on camera, but by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to create short viral videos. Imagine generating a steady stream of income, all on autopilot, right from your computer. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. This isn't just theory. It's a step-by-step blueprint to make serious money with AI-generated YouTube Shorts. Stick around because your financial future is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Welcome to the AI Dollar, where we unlock the secrets to making money with artificial intelligence. In this comprehensive guide, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube Shorts and how AI is revolutionizing content creation and monetization. Shorts are bite-sized, vertical videos, up to 60 seconds, designed for quick consumption, and they're exploding in popularity. YouTube is pushing them hard, and that means massive opportunities for creators like you. But here's the best part. You don't need expensive equipment, filmmaking skills, or even to show your face. We'll be using powerful AI tools to automate almost the entire process, allowing you to scale your content creation and, more importantly, your earnings. The first and most crucial step for any successful YouTube channel, especially for shorts, is choosing a profitable niche. This isn't about what you think is popular. It's about what people are actively searching for and what has strong monetization potential. Here are a few high-performing niches, perfect for faceless AI shorts. Financial education and investing. Think quick tips on budgeting, cryptocurrency, stock market basics, or saving money. People are always looking for ways to improve their finances. Health and wellness, short workout routines, healthy recipes, mental health tips, or quick facts about nutrition. This niche has massive evergreen appeal. Motivation and self-improvement. Inspirational quotes, productivity hacks, success stories, or mindset shifts. These are highly shareable and emotionally resonant. Tech and gadgets, reviews, facts. Quick looks at new tech, explaining complex concepts simply, or highlighting surprising features of popular gadgets. Mind-blowing facts and history. Short, captivating facts about science, history, psychology, or the universe. Curiosity drives engagement here. How to find your niche. Google Trends. See what topics are trending and generating interest. YouTube suggestions. Type in a broad idea and see what autofills. Then look at related searches. Analyze competitors. See what successful faceless channels in these areas are doing well. What kind of content gets the most views and engagement? Remember, a good niche has a large, engaged audience and offers clear avenues for monetization. Now for the exciting part, bringing your faceless shorts to life with AI. We'll use a powerful trio of tools: ChatGPT for scripting, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and Pictory for video generation. 2.1. Scripting with ChatGPT. First, we need compelling content. ChatGPT is your virtual scriptwriter. Prompting is key. Don't just say, "Write a script." Be specific. For example, write a 45-second YouTube short script about 3 surprising facts about the human brain. Make it engaging, concise, and end with a curiosity-driven question. Refine and optimize. Review the generated script. Is it punchy? Is it under 60 seconds when read aloud? Does it have a clear hook and a strong call to action? Adjust as needed. You can ask ChatGPT to make it more energetic, simplify language, or add specific details. 2.2. Voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Next, we give your script a voice using ElevenLabs. This AI voice generator is incredibly realistic, making your faceless videos sound professional and engaging. Paste your script. Copy your refined script from ChatGPT and paste it into ElevenLabs. Choose your voice. Experiment with different AI voices. Consider the tone and style that best suits your niche. Do you want something authoritative, friendly, or mysterious? Generate audio. With a click, ElevenLabs will transform your text into a natural-sounding voiceover. Download the audio file. 2.3. Video generation with Pictory. Finally, we bring it all together with Pictory. This AI-powered video editor is a game-changer for creating faceless content. Upload audio. Import the voiceover you generated with ElevenLabs into Pictory. Automatic scene generation. Pictory's AI will analyze your audio and automatically suggest relevant video clips and images from its vast stock library. This saves you hours of searching. Customize and refine. Visuals. Review the suggested visuals. Replace any that don't quite fit or add more engaging clips. You can search Pictory's library for specific keywords related to your script. Text overlays. Add engaging text overlays that highlight key points or create suspense. Keep them short, clear, and easy to read. Background music. Choose royalty-free background music that complements your video's tone. Pictory offers a good selection. Ensure the music isn't too distracting and is at a lower volume than the voiceover. Transitions and effects. Add subtle transitions between scenes to make the video flow smoothly. Generate video. Once you're satisfied, Pictory will render your high-quality faceless YouTube short. The beauty of this workflow is its speed. You can go from an idea to a fully produced short in minutes, allowing you to create content at scale. Creating the videos is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly go viral and maximize your views, you need to understand the YouTube Shorts algorithm and leverage trending elements. Trending sounds, this is huge. Spend time in the YouTube Shorts feed and identify trending audio clips. Can you create content in your niche that incorporates a popular sound? Even if it's just background music, using a trending sound can significantly boost discoverability. Content strategies for engagement. Pattern interrupts. Start your shorts with something unexpected to immediately grab attention. Strong hooks. The first 3 to 5 seconds are critical. Pose a question, state a shocking fact, or show a compelling visual. Fast pacing. Keep the edits quick. Don't linger on a single shot for too long. Value in every second. Deliver clear, concise value. Get straight to the point. Call to action. Encourage likes, comments, shares, or channel subscriptions. Ask a question at the end to prompt discussion. Looping content. Design your shorts so they loop seamlessly, encouraging repeat views, which signals high engagement to the algorithm. Now, how do you turn these views into cold, hard cash? There are several powerful ways to monetize your AI-generated shorts. YouTube Shorts Fund. Ad revenue sharing. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, currently 1,000 subscribers and 10 million eligible public shorts views in 90 days, or 4,000 watch hours on long-form content, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn a share of the ad revenue generated from ads played between shorts in the feed. While individual payouts per view might seem small, with millions of views, this adds up quickly. Affiliate marketing. This is where the real potential for $500 daily comes in. Promote relevant products. In your niche, identify products or services that your audience would find valuable. For financial content, it could be investment apps or budgeting tools. For health, it could be supplements or fitness programs. Place affiliate links. Include your unique affiliate links in the comments section. Pinned comment is ideal. And the description of your shorts. Call to action. Verbally prompt viewers to check the links in the comments for more information or a special discount. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Driving traffic to other monetized content. Use your shorts as a funnel. Long-form YouTube videos. If you have longer, more in-depth videos on your channel that are monetized with ads, use shorts to tease topics and drive viewers to those videos. Digital products courses. Promote your own ebooks, online courses, or coaching services related to your niche. Merchandise. If your channel grows significantly, consider selling branded merchandise. Getting your shorts seen is crucial for maximizing earnings. Effective SEO and smart thumbnail design are your secret weapons. YouTube Shorts, SEO. Keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, or even just YouTube's search bar to find relevant keywords people are searching for in your niche. Title optimization. Include your main keyword naturally in your shorts title. Keep it concise and captivating. Titles like 3 mind-blowing facts about X or How to Y in 60 seconds work well. Description and hashtags. Even though shorts are discovered primarily through the feed, a well-optimized description with relevant keywords and 3-5 hashtags can help with searchability. Captions. Always include captions. They improve accessibility and provide YouTube with more context about your video, boosting its discoverability. Smart thumbnail design. Choose a captivating frame. For shorts, you often select a frame from the video itself. Make sure this frame is visually striking and gives a clear hint of the content. Add text overlays, if possible. While less common on shorts, if you can add a short, bold text overlay to a key frame in Pictory that acts as your thumbnail, it can significantly boost click-through rates. Make it large, high contrast, and intriguing. Intrigue, don't reveal. Your thumbnail should spark curiosity, making viewers want to click to find out more. The final, and perhaps most important step is consistency and automation. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a strategic approach to building a sustainable income. Publish regularly. The more high-quality shorts you publish, the higher your chances of going viral and attracting a loyal audience. Aim for at least 1-3 shorts per day, especially when starting out. Batch create. Use the AI tools we discussed to create multiple shorts in one sitting. Script 5-10 videos, generate all the voiceovers, then batch produce the videos in Pictory. This saves immense time. Schedule uploads. YouTube Studio allows you to schedule your shorts in advance. This ensures consistent publishing even when you're busy. Analyze and adapt. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics. Which shorts are performing best? What types of content are getting the most views and engagement? Double down on what works and refine your strategy based on data. There you have it, the the complete guide to making $500 daily with AI-generated YouTube Shorts. The tools are available, the opportunity is massive, and with the right strategy, you can build a highly profitable faceless YouTube channel. Don't just watch this video, take action! Start experimenting with ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Pictory today. Choose your niche, create your first short, and join the AI content revolution. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the AI Dollar for more cutting-edge AI money-making strategies, and let me know in the comments. What niche are you most excited to explore? Check out our other videos linked on the screen for more ways to make money with AI and automation. Until next time, keep building your AI dollar.